Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I want to thank UNice Hair for sponsoring today's video. I am obsessed with this unit, okay? I have their Espresso Brown Loose Wave Lace Front Wig. It's a 7x5 closure. It is 180% in density and it's 24 inches. It is pre-everything. We don't have to cut, we don't have to pluck, and we don't have to bleach. Baby, don't play. Also, it does come with an elastic band. That way you're able to wear it glueless. But when I tell you guys, this wig is already giving luxury straight out the box. The color is rich. The texture is soft. Do y'all see how soft and luxurious these curls look? I only brushed them out. It eats all the way down. So let's talk lace. A flawless install always starts with the right foundation. Off camera, I went in and tinted the lace using my cream foundation. Y'all know we need that lace to look like scalp. Now I'm just adjusting the elastic band in the back. I'm just gonna shake my head around to see how secure the wig is. As you guys can see, it is not sliding back. This is showing you that your wig is very secure. However, if you're needing extra security, use the bye-bye knots tape. So I'm just going to go in just a little bit to touch up the front section of the closure. Y'all know I like a nice and laid look. I also love their 7x5 construction because it's giving us frontal. If you don't like wearing frontals but you want the illusion of one, please get this. Because y'all see look how far down this goes. You cannot tell me that I don't have a frontal on. Or you can wear this unit glueless. You can use the bye-bye knots tape to secure it down. I am using my adhesive spray just to secure it down. My last video I did with UNice, I did it fully glueless. It was a bang unit. Y'all know I love that unit down. That's my favorite unit. But I'm not gonna lie, this wig is standing 10 toes behind that unit, okay? It is almost taking first place. That's how obsessed I am with it. UNice has not been playing with these wigs lately. I'm just saying, okay? They have not come to play. We're just going to go ahead and let the lace melt a little bit. I am going to place my melting band on while I go ahead and recurl the hair. Now, like I said, these curls are super flawless as is. Like, I could have just left them like this and we could have been completely done for this style. But anyway, I chose to curl it. I just love the loose wave curls that come with the unit. But I'm going to go ahead and spray some heat protectant and brush it throughout the hair. So I'm going in to put some curls in my unit. I am curling away from my face. Y'all know I'm using my favorite product, which is a curling iron and a flat iron all in one. And this is by Tymo. Y'all know I love this product. I keep raving about it all the time. So I'll have everything that I used in today's video in the description section. So be sure to check there. Finishing up, spraying some Sebastian Shaper hairspray. Look at the lace, y'all. I love a good freaking melt. So we just gonna comb out the curls and look how everything just comes together. This espresso chocolatey color, it just is so freaking pretty. Like, y'all cannot tell me nothing. If you are scared of color, I definitely would recommend you to try this color because it's not doing too much, y'all. It's just giving you enough, you know, to take you out of your comfort zone, but you're gonna be comfortable, I promise. Look how the curls are holding up. Baby, this unit is getting a 10 out of 10. I don't care what nobody says. This is the classic bust down middle part with curls. I'm feeling like a superstar. Stop playing. This is the definition of soft luxury. Now for some versatility, we have a half up, half down style. It gives you that fun, that flirty energy without doing too much. And because the lace is blending, like, amazingly. This style looks completely seamless from every freaking angle. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, because first of all, people be saying, oh, you cannot style closure wigs. UNice is 7x5 espresso brown loose wave lace front wig. You can. So I'm acting as if this is a full lace frontal wig. So that's what we're styling. So with this pony, I do want it very messy. So do not try to make it look neat and nice, because again, you do want to make sure every angle is covered. Look at this from the side. Baby, what closure? That's what I'm talking about. But anyway, I'm doing some curls towards my face, and then I'm doing curls away from my face. And look, we are ready to go, okay? This hairstyle you can wear with pretty much any occasion. Definitely a more like brunch, dinner. It just gives elegant, okay? I love, love, love half up, half down. You can't tell me though, this is just a closure. And finally, a deep side part for a little extra drama. This look instantly adds elegance and confidence, perfect for when you want to switch things up. No matter how you style it, this wig gives you options. So y'all see, I'm just going in with some baby hairs. I did like a deep side part. I just sprayed a little bit of got to be glue on that, and we just go swoop de doop doop doop. And lastly, I'm going in to define my part with the cream foundation, and y'all see how everything is coming together. I enjoyed working with this unit. UNice gets a 10 out of 10. And that's it. We got 3 looks, 1 unit, effortless from start to finish. If you're loving this transformation, check out all the details in the description section below. Let me know which style is your favorite. And until next time, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.